In this video, I will be talking about this question: how do I create a social media strategy plan? Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified straight away as soon as I upload new content. Thank you very much. Let's jump straight into the tutorial. Now, if you would like me to create any videos for you on any topics, please tell me in the comments under the video. Social media marketing is no longer an option for a brand or a business, it's a necessity. With so many demographics active across social networks on a global scale, it's where you want to be to engage, influence and convert. To see why, just listen to these stats from Digital 2022 Global Overview Report. There are 4.6 billion active social media users, that's nearly 60% of the world's population. The average time spent every day on social media is 2.27 hours. 2022 has seen a rise in TikTok, YouTube and Instagram users. People use an average number of 7.5 platforms each month. Just think about the success of Apple's enduring #Shot on iPhone campaign across social media channels, or the #Getty Museum challenge to get inspiration from Getty's collection during the coronavirus pandemic. In this video, I will tell you about some of the most important elements of a social media marketing. What is a social media strategy? What are the benefits of having a social media strategy? Social media marketing strategy versus social media content strategy. What is a social media engagement strategy? What are the steps in building a social media strategy? What is a good example of a social media strategy? Social media strategy for small businesses. And what is a social media strategy? Put simply, a social media strategy is a plan that outlines your social media goals, the tactics used to achieve them, and metrics tracked to measure performance. Your strategy doesn't need to be complicated. What you want is a simple and specific plan with meaningful measurables. This will help you to identify the channels and tactics that are successful versus those that fall flat. Ultimately, your social media strategy should drive brand awareness and engagement across your social media channels for your target audiences. Let's have a look at this question. What are the benefits of having a social media strategy? You may have run a successful social media campaign or great engagement on your posted content. That one-off success is achievable. However, the difficult part of social media marketing is consistency. Do you understand why that campaign or post succeeded? Can you replicate it easily? It may be daunting to think about creating a social media strategy, but it will provide your business with many tangible benefits, like a direction for all your social media activities, improve brand awareness, offer social customer service and support, and enhance targeting across audiences. A social media strategy can help direct and increase website traffic, personalize content, generate better quality leads, and create social media influencer opportunities. You can use social media to promote your unique content that could go viral. Remember the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. You can offer social commerce and shoppable posts and data you can analyze and measure. As you now know, there are huge benefits to social media, so creating a strategy will serve to achieve your business goals and drive customer engagement. Social media marketing strategy versus social media content strategy. While content marketing and social media marketing are closely linked, there's a difference between them. A marketing strategy is the place to start if you want to direct and enhance your social media activities. It involves some key elements such as audience research, persona building, choosing the social media platforms, and much more. A content strategy focuses on the content formats and outputs, so it should look at the creation of content, messaging and tone, content scheduling, and other things like this. Let's talk about the key areas involved in both. What is a social media engagement strategy? Your social media engagement strategy is important as it creates connections with your audience across networks. It helps you to manage your community through social media channels and build your brand. The two core purposes of an engagement strategy are to manage your community. This can be done by offering advice through a blog, responding to comments in posts, replying to queries on channels, and reaching out with polls or surveys to find out more about your customer base. Grow your following. Interaction is important here, so offer content that is valuable, such as engaging video content, engage prospects with free content or competition offers, or simply demonstrate your brand as active and useful by being responsive on your networks to draw people in. User-generated content, UGC, can play a key role here as it's evidence of the people that support your brand talking about it rather than it coming from your business or marketing team. What are the steps in building a successful social media strategy? Now that you understand the basics of a social media strategy, let's get to the specific steps you need to take to create one. I will tell you about where to integrate your content strategy and engagement strategy into your overall social media activities. Here are some steps you can take to creating a successful social media strategy, which includes: Number 1. Set goals for your business. It's worth spending time on this stage as understanding and defining your social media goals will determine the rest of your strategy. Think about what your business wants to achieve from social media and understand that marketing and business goals are different. Is it greater brand awareness in the marketplace, to learn more about your audience, expand your following, or generate more leads? You may want to achieve all these goals, but it's crucial to note each one of them as they will involve different tactics on social media. When you set goals, define your key performance indicators, KPIs, to understand which social media metrics are important. To be successful on social media, set metrics for each channel you use. For example, on Facebook, reach, engagement, and impressions are important, whereas on Instagram, interactions and discovery are key. Over and above basic metrics, you can dig deeper and track audience growth rate, application rate, the rate users share your content, or virality rate. There are many metrics you can use to track success, so narrow them down to what matters to your business. Number 2, do some research for your audience. For you to create personalized messaging and content, you need to understand who your audience is and what they want. The best way to achieve that is to conduct market research through online surveys, interviews with your customers, or by setting up a focus group. Another way to find out more about your customers and community is to do social listening. Many tools can help you do this across social networks, including BuzzSumo or FollowerWonk. Both of these methods will help inform your buyer personas, which combine your buyer profile and buyer insights to create a picture of your ideal customer. You can have more than one persona to capture the different insights, demographics, and pain points. Number 3, do some research on your competitors. Competitor research is a crucial part of your social marketing strategy. It helps you understand what your competitors are doing in the social space, such as what platforms they use and what campaigns they run. You can also see what their messaging is, the content produced, and the frequency of posts. By understanding how they engage with customers and the success of that engagement, you can either emulate it or take another direction to capture customers' attention. Number 4, choose your social media platforms. The question isn't whether you should be active on social media, it's how to choose the best channels for your business. It can be confusing in the beginning as there is a lot to choose from. However, don't make the mistake of being present on all of them for the sake of it. Some will not suit your business or content. So how do you narrow down your choices and optimize your content for every social network? Facebook. As one of the biggest social media platforms and the oldest, Facebook offers a targeted way to engage with prospects and customers. Many content types do well on this platform, and Facebook Live offers you a way to connect with customers through video. Instagram, the perfect visual platform. Instagram continues to be a hit amongst younger audiences and has seen a huge growth over the past few years. It's a great platform to showcase products and connect with influencers to grow your customer base. Plus, with in-app shopping coming to Instagram soon through shoppable posts, customers will be able to purchase on the platform. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the place to be for B2B businesses and provides opportunities for B2C too. It provides businesses with a way to connect in the B2B space, both organically and through paid advertising. Content that works well on this platform are blogs, white papers, ebooks, and industry-related content. Twitter. Twitter is a real-time platform, which means your content should be timely and relevant. It can be a great customer service channel for brands as it allows quick replies and its hashtags help discover new and trending content. There's a knack to using hashtags successfully, so take time to figure out how to use them across social networks. TikTok. As one of the fastest growing social media channels, TikTok is a great place for video content. Known for its short form and quirky videos, it's developing rapidly as a platform and can be used effectively for marketing. For user-generated content, you can't beat TikTok, and it's a great place for influencer collaborations. YouTube. Someone somewhere right now is watching a YouTube video. That's how popular it is. It's a marketer's playground as it provides a way to connect with customers in a way that provides information but can also offer entertainment. If you're a brand that creates a lot of videos, particularly how-to or tutorials, this could be the platform for you. Pinterest. Pinterest is all about social discovery. It's a place people come to get inspired by images and videos. The millions of pins it showcases cover everything from home decor to recipes, and it's great for content curation like a social mood board. Number 5. Plan your content. Now that you've done your research and decided on the right social media platforms, it's time to think about your content and approach. Let's go into planning your content in simple steps. Create a tone for your pages. Tone is how you want the world to see and speak to your brand. Are you formal or informal? Do you use humor or is your business more serious? Each social media platform has its own personality too. So do you want to speak differently on each and showcase your brand's personality? You can create content themes or content buckets. Look at what your USP is and see what content themes or buckets you can create. For example, if you're a travel resort or a hotel, you could create a content bucket around wellness, showcasing your spa and healthy recipes. Another content bucket could be about your location. What makes that place unique and interesting? Is it the wildlife, scenery, or something else? Create a content calendar. It's key to post regularly on social networks, and a calendar can put some order to your posting, especially if you're posting on multiple channels. There are optimum days and times for networks too, so take that into account and find out when to post on. TikTok and the best times to post on Instagram. Schedule your content. It can be difficult to keep up with the pace of social media, and if you post regularly, keeping to a schedule is important for consistency. What makes a good social media post? It's easy to create posts, but taking the time to create good content will be worth the effort in terms of reach and engagement. So, how do you ensure you create good posts? Monitor content performance. It's important to analyze your content to see what does and doesn't work. Optimize your content. Tweak your content to optimize its performance. Think about new angles for your social media content. Would humor work, or what about video testimonials from previous customers? Don't stick to the same message and format all the time. You should try new things. You can do A/B test content. Try different versions of content on platforms to see what works better. Is there a keyword that resonates better, or do different colors get better engagement? Track your KPIs. Refer back to your KPIs to make sure you're on track with your content. There's no magic solution to creating good content. It's about putting content out there, analyzing it, optimizing it, and trying something new. Number 6, manage and engage your community. The great thing about social media is that it builds connections, and these connections can become communities. Communities are wonderful things as they build engagement and drive brand awareness. An active community is an amazing thing as it can create brand advocates and draw in new customers. But a community needs nurturing, so you need to take time to build it and then grow it. A key element to managing and engaging a social media community is to be responsive. If a customer has a query or comment, get back quickly and be helpful. As social media becomes more popular as a way for customers to reach out, inevitably there will be complaints. Make sure to respond positively and find out how you can make their experience more positive to avoid a social media crisis. Engage your community by asking questions through polls or surveys. It makes them feel a part of the community, but also may help you find out more about your customer base. The next thing to do, if you really want to know how to start and run an online business, then go and click the link in the description box under the video now and go to our partner website, internetbusinessschool.co.uk, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. I recommend you have a look at the online training courses available. It is a fantastic resource which is going to give you the training, the skills and the knowledge you'll need to launch a successful business from start to finish and put you ahead of the competition. Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified straight away as soon as I upload new content. Thank you very much. Please remember to connect on Facebook. I have put the Facebook page link in the description box below this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.